For this project, you will need a foam board. I got mine from Dollar Tree. Packaging tape, Exacto knife, pencil, and a measuring tool. Hi everyone, I'm All About Welcome. Today I am sharing with you this DIY. This is an Alex drawer lipstick insert DIY. How to display your lovely lippies so that you can see them, you can get to them, and you can use them. Let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to measure your drawer. Measure the inside of your drawer. So that we're measuring in centimeters. And I'm going to say it's about 28 and a half. So then I measured the lipsticks. And I wanted the board to be at least to the top edge of the opening of the lipstick. So I measured that, and that measured to be about 7 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this voiceover that I really don't want to be doing because I am not good at this. If you're letting this play, but you really want these inserts, then I would suggest you look at the video instead of just listening to it, because I can show you better than I can tell you. You want a total of 3 panels. The first 2 panels are going to be the same measurements. These are going to be the measurements that you measured that were inside of your drawer. Now, I'm only saying it like that because your drawer might be different. If you don't have the IKEA Alex drawers and you have something different, the measurements will be different. But for me, and if you have the Alex drawers, then I want to say that this is a pretty snug fit, and it's a pretty good fit. So I went by centimeters just because the straight edge of my ruler was centimeters. So if I say inches, I really mean centimeters. So 28 and a half centimeters by 7 centimeters. So measure the length, 28 and a half, and then measure 7 centimeters. I made 2 panels of that size. Now my Exacto knife is just a blade because my lovely, lovely husband accidentally threw away the handle. But scissors were really hard to cut through with this foam board. Now this foam board again is from Dollar Tree. Let me just I'm gonna be straight with you also with this part. This insert is not gonna be cute. They're gonna be hiding under lipstick. So what's the point of wrapping it with wrapping paper like some people I see done? Wrapping it with wrapping paper or contact paper. I just want something that's gonna work. I had my lipsticks in the drawer, but they were in the Alex drawer inserts that cost like almost 60 bucks. That was on sale. On top of that, I'm paying for these lipsticks. Now, I'm not complaining because I love to collect them. I love makeup. But what's the point of having and paying for all that if I'm not going to be able to see them and then I don't even use them? Okay, so this is the 3rd panel. Now this panel is going to be a lot shorter and a lot smaller. It's going to be about the width of the ruler, which is about 2 centimeters. And the length is going to be shorter. I'm going to say about 20 centimeters. The reason why I did that was because I just figured, that's going to be how we're going to make our panels slanted. So basically just sandwich or pile the 2 larger panels on top of each other and tape it with the packaging tape. Now you can use glue and all that other stuff, but I don't feel like you'll be able to bend it right with glue. So just use the tape. I feel like it's a lot easier. And plus you might have tape, and you might not have the hot glue gun because not everyone's a crafter. And then get the smaller piece and you're going to place that into the middle of one of the panels. And you don't have to be exact. As you can see, I did not measure. I just placed it. I just did this on a whim. I didn't even realize that people had made these, but they made them different ways on YouTube. You can Google, go to YouTube and you'll see there are people that make these. And oh, you're gonna see they made them a lot different. All right, so again, that little piece is basically gonna be, stop the board from collapsing. So it's just to hold for structure. And then you just tape that together. Again, I don't know how to explain it. Just watch the video. Okay, so this Dollar Tree foam board made a total of 5 inserts. If you have a different size drawer, then you're either going to get more or less. But if you have an Alex drawer and use these measurements, you'll get a total of 5 inserts. Now, I installed a total of 4. I could have installed all 5 inserts, but the whole point of this project is to display so I can see and I can use the lippies. If I would have added the 5th, then I would have had issue with that. Now, you want to put the foam boards apart, about 1 inch apart from each other, because the insert in front of it is going to help the lippy stand up, because the bottom of the lippy is going to be like the stopper of the lippy, the bottom of the lippy. Does that make sense? You're going to use the front insert as a stopper so that, it could stand and be at a slant and it won't fall over. But I fit a total of 17 lipsticks in a row and a total of 68 lippies in the drawer.